Oh my God, you gotta love Microsoft. Windows just reset a performance setting on your trading computer, and if you didn't manually change it back, you're trading slower right now. Not next week, not maybe, right now. And here's the part that should bother you. It probably happened during a normal Windows update, and you never got asked. And most traders don't catch this. They just feel charts load heavier and entries feel slightly delayed. And then they blame slippage or volatility or their broker. But this isn't market chaos. This is your operating system quietly prioritizing energy savings over performance. And that is unacceptable for a trading machine. And we're going to fix it immediately. This takes less than 5 minutes, and it could restore the performance you've been missing for days. But before we change anything, quick professional moves. We're creating a restore point, like I say in every video, so you can undo everything instantly if you need to. This is a stop loss for your computer system. Just go ahead and click the start button. Now type create a restore point and open it. The system properties window will appear. Make sure the system protection tab is selected, and then click on your C drive so it's highlighted, and then click create. It's going to ask for a name. Just name it before performance reset. Click create and wait for Windows to give you the confirmation. And when it's successful, click close. All right, good. Now we go to the setting Windows loves to change, and that is your power plan. Go ahead and press the Windows key plus the R key at the same time. A small run box will appear. You want to type in powercfg.cpl and press enter. This opens the power options instantly. Look at what's selected. If it says balanced, that is your problem. Balanced mode reduces power draw. Reduced power means reduced CPU responsiveness, and reduced responsiveness means delayed execution. And you're not running a coffee shop laptop, you're running a trading workstation. Go ahead and select high performance. If you see a line that says show additional plans and a little drop down, click it. If something called ultimate performance appears, select it. If it does not, I'm going to show you how to enable ultimate performance. Click the start button, type command prompt, right click it, and then click run as administrator. And then once that black box loads up, I want you to copy and paste the exact command that's in the description below. Press enter and then let it execute. Then close that window and now press Windows plus R again and type powercfg.cpl and press enter. Ultimate performance should now be visible. Select it if it appears. If it doesn't appear, your system doesn't support it, and that's completely normal. Now we're going to go even deeper. Next to your selected plan, click Change Plan Settings. Then click Change Advanced Power Settings. Scroll down to Processor Power Management and expand Minimum Processor State. If you're using a desktop, set that minimum to 100%. If you're using a laptop, set the plugged-in version to 100%, but leave the on battery setting lower if you want to save power. Then click Apply and OK. This keeps your CPU fully ready when performance matters most, and it prevents ramp-up delay during sudden market volatility. But here's what most traders don't understand. If your CPU is allowed to idle at 5% and the volatility spikes, you lose ramp-up time, and those milliseconds compound into missed entries. Now, before you think we're done, we're not. There's another Windows setting that Windows quietly re-enables when you do an update, and this one steals resources all day long. So click Start, and then open Settings, then go to Apps, and then to Installed Apps. Anything not related to trading does not need background access. So what you want to do is click the 3 dots next to any apps on this list and open Advanced Options. Scroll down to Background App Permissions and set to Never. Every background process steals tiny slices of CPU and RAM. One little slice is nothing, but hundreds creates measurable drag. And this is how systems slowly degrade. Nothing crashes, everything just feels slightly off. And I hear traders say, my computer needs to feel faster. And it probably did before Windows decided to help. Here's the truth. Your computer can have plenty of power available and still feel slow if Windows restricts performance. because the settings determines how much power your system's allowed to use. It's like owning a Ferrari and locking it in the economy mode. If this just restored performance on your machine, do me a favor, leave a comment with the word reset. I want to see how many traders were unknowingly throttled, because this is more common than people think. If you're serious about trading performance, grab my complete guide to trading computers, and that link is below in the description. It shows you exactly how to configure a machine that stays fast, stable, and fully responsive during live markets. Because execution speed is not optional, it's infrastructure. Protect your speed, protect your execution, and do me a favor, slam the subscribe button and watch this video next. My name is Eddie Z. Thanks for watching. May the trend be with you.